Hello, everybody. This is a tarot reading for the zodiac Scorpio. I came up with my own tarot rules. Rule number one is to not read tarot cards alone. Rule number two is to not read tarot cards in a mental hospital. Rule number three is to always say goodbye. I'm going to do a 3 card 13. It's going to be a 13 card spread. The last card will be the overall message of the past 13 cards. It's going to be the theme. 12 cards represent the zodiac. There's 12 zodiac signs. Oftentimes people use the zodiac in conjunction with tarot because it helps with the forecast. This is for the zodiac Scorpio. Scorpio, you have this dawning sensuality. You have this dawning sensuality with a smear of confidence. Uno monito. You have this elegance and passion that comes with you, Scorpio. And this is only just the surface because Scorpios, you are the sign that delves right into the mystery. Okay. Just remember, Scorpio, you always have two choices: your commitment versus your fear. Opening up to people that you can trust. You have the Two of Wands. It's in your first house. The first house is adjourned and conjunct with the Aries zodiac sign. Two of Wands really just means that you are between the alternate reading. This is about magnificence. On the other hand, it can be about sadness, mortification. Scorpios, you can delve deep into the mysteries of the world. Don't delve too deep before misdiagnosing or predicting something that isn't going to happen during this month. Two of Wands can also mean a sadness amidst the grandeur of this world's wealth. This foretells me that you're going to be dealing with affinities, something that cannot be harmonized, or you feel as if this isn't harmonized because you may be around people who you cannot trust to be open with. You do have the Nine of Pentacles. That's in your second house. Second house rules material possession, but more or so, Taurus is adjourned to the second house, and it does not technically mean material possession, because this possession can also mean our emotions, which is important at the end of the day. People who you keep around you, the people who you want to bring on this journey with you. Nine of Pentacles is in that second house, about what's going to be fulfilling to you emotionally during the month of September. And it's just saying that emotionally, with the people around you, Scorpio, during this month of September, it's going to be a gaiety, a recreation. Your connections, you're going to be with people who you trust. It's going to be the subject of your design, so you won't feel that grandeur towards your wealth, your finances, because you're doing your best. Just remember, Scorpio, that you can, you always have two choices: your commitment versus your fear. Ten of Cups is in your third house. This may mean during the month of September, there's going to be a strong unit of family for you. You're going to have conversations with your family. You have the Ten of Cups. You're going to be open to this. It's going to fall right into your lap during the month of September. September, for the month of you, Scorpio, you're going to be opening up to people that you can trust. Okay. Let's get this for Scorpio. Just remember, Scorpio, that you'll always have two choices: your commitment versus your fear. Knight of Spirals. Trustworthy. When you were a child, how did you manage difficult emotions? Currently, how do you manage difficult emotions? Whom must you forgive? Why? I'll read the questions again. When you were a child, how did you manage difficult emotions? Currently, how do you manage difficult emotions? Whom must you forgive? Why? I am going to be pulling cards from a tarot deck that I purchased. It's drawn on. You know, in tarot, there's like this deep, 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 it's in the depths, unspoken rule to not really use tarot cards that are drawn on or upon because they can be hexed, cursed, ritualized. Luckily for me, I received a nice message that came along with these cards upon receiving them. It's from a tarot reader, fellow tarot reader online on YouTube. The Veil, Priestess, Intuitive Kev. In the month of September, for you Scorpios, you're going to be, I like to use allegory when looking at images. And I think what this means is that you're removing this veil from yourself. You may not talk about this, but in the month of September, what's going to happen is that you're opening up with people. It's going to be this initiation, this configuration of you taking the veil off of your face and opening up to people that you trust. Priestess is your higher knowledge, what you know to be true, who you know yourself as. So it will be good for you to open up to people who you trust. False documents, false info, false statements, false agreements. Try not to delve too much in the mystery, that you make a false assumption about somebody that you want to bring on this journey with you. Unexpected money, Earth Angel. There's also, I'm getting you're going to get unexpected money in the month of September. Family and friends hits me up, and I do offer services down in the description box. Goodbye.